Okay, okay, okay. I have a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop in gold setting up here. I've got my sell stop in place and my take profit 20 pips down from there. Trades beginning at 1967.8. So my take profit is 1965.8, and I've taken two. I tend to leave a runner. Let's see, we do have a fill in the gap sell stop here. Red, red, red. I call this green because it's fill in the gap. Red, I just do it myself. Nobody has to. Red, 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 green, a red, a red. This is the 1 hour line, yellow line. I don't know if it'll arch back over the hour from the 15-minute, but it went in the channel on the 30-minute from the 5, and on the 15, it's arched up nice and high. 15, 30 in the channel, right in the channel there, and then the 1 hour around the yellow line. I have mine set because it might not go over, the 1 hour might not go over, so I have mine set on the 30-minute yellow line. So good entry. It's over the 15. So anyway, let's look at my sniper. Let's change this to gold. Say USD Wanda. This one. Say USD Wanda. 15-minute. What is this? Should be 1 hour. I'm going to change it to 1 hour. Okay. 15-minute, 1 hour. Is it 15-minute? 1 hour should be over here. 15 minutes should be over here. Okay. Well, so the 1 hour sale. One hour, not 1 minute. Come on, Tom. Boom. All right. That's the 1 hour, and that's the 15. Ay-yo. Okay. So here is, okay, on the 1 hour, you can see that it's flat. And the pink that used to be pink came up. I changed mine to yellow, remember? The 15-minute blue is up high. 15-minute blue up high. 1 hour down low plus the pink came up. There you go. Here is where you can change the way you want the windows to be oriented. This is side by side. If I click on that, and this is top to bottom, it's just too much, too crowded for top to bottom for me. So I changed mine to side like that. So what if I wanted to do 3 side by sides? Is there one of those 3 side by side? There isn't. But anyway, side by side, choose it. That's just a single one, the 15-minute. See, it looks like a win. It doesn't look like anything, but this square next to unnamed or whatever, next on the top here, next to your indicators and all that stuff here. You press it with your left button and you can go ahead and change side by side. I don't exactly remember how I get another one to come up, another layout to come up, but I can ask. What I've been doing is asking Chat GPT this kind of stuff, like how do I pull up another layout on TradingView, and it's been pretty good about providing answers to me. Let's see here. Here's how I changed my color on my pink line. If you press it on your left button, let's see. No, strike that. Okay. See this here and over here? If you press this little downward arrow, it brings up the titles of each of these. That's the Safety Trade System Core. This is the Safety Trade BS detector. This is the Safety Trade Sniper. Now, if I want to change colors in here, I just go to Setting, and see, here's where I changed my colors. Look, I can change it anything I want. Why? I'm just going to do it for fun. I'll change it back. Okay. What happened? Now it's going to freeze on me. That's what you do anyway. Okay, get me. All right, now changed it to this. See? Look at that. Isn't that terrible? That is terrible. So back to Yalla. Yeah, it's right here. Is that Yalla? Yeah. There. Click inside here. Click somewhere inside here with left again and it goes away. Click OK. Do that. I do that the same with all of them. When you bring up a new layout, it doesn't save the colors, so I have to change them. It's okay. It's all right. You can probably save it as a template. Well, see, this way, side by side, I have all of this room to move things. This is a lot better. I can see everything in here. I can see everything in here now. When I see my BOK, and my BS detector, here's where you would see where if the blue line was around you, you could see there's the blue line. Blue line. There you go. See, are there some other things here? Are there some other things here? I mean, there are. I mean, I just can't think of any. Okay. Here's, you said you weren't adding your 1 out of 3 sniper here. I don't have it added on this window because I don't want it in the way. Once is enough, it's going to say the same thing in each one. So back to where you can click on this and get rid of this extra wording so you don't have to look at it. You can click it and get it out of the way. But then let's click it and get it in the way. And then this way we can get rid of everything here and bring it back up newly so you can see how I bring it back up. So X out of it. It's all gone, see? X out of this one. X out of this one. Let's see, I'll bring them back here. X out of this one. X out of this one. X out of this one. Now let's bring it up. You go over here to indicators. Click. Then you go to invite only scripts. And then top to bottom, you choose. You're only going to, if you're going to bring up the core with the 2 out of 3, you don't bring up this core, okay? You bring up the core with the 2 out of 3 first. Boom. All right. Then you bring up the BS detector. Then you bring up the sniper. See? There you go. Now I have the 2 out of 3 and the core, the BS detector, and the sniper. But I actually do not want the 2 out of 3 on this side. I guess I don't care. I'll leave it there for now. And then over here, you do the same thing. Choose your indicators. Invite only scripts that's already chosen. I already have my core plus the sniper. I don't want it twice. I don't need it twice. If I'm always going to have two windows open, one of them has it. It's going to say the same thing anyway. So TSTS core, TSTS BS detector, TSTS sniper. And what did I do here? Okay, once more with feeling. I double loaded this thing. I was supposed to switch to the other side. All right. Just bear with me. You'll learn how to do that because I had to do it so many times. Boom. Get rid of it. See, I had two BS detectors. So I brought everything up again. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do this. I'm going to pull my indicators. Boom. I'm selecting one side here. This is where they're going to go. I'm going to bring up my TSTS core. Then I'm going to bring up my TSTS BS detector. Then I'll bring up TSTS sniper X. They're all on here. 1, 2, 3. Now on this side, click inside this window. And what I do inside here will only come up on this window. Invite only is already chosen. So I want to bring up my, this time I want the 2 out of 3. So I'm going to bring up the TSTS core in 2 out of 3. Then I'm going to bring up the TSTS BS detector. Then I'm going to bring the TSTS sniper X out of it. All set. 15-minute. I want the 1 hour over here. 1 hour, right? That's how we do it. 15-minute. 15-minute. 1 hour. 15-minute. You can see this here changes. Right now, this 15-minute is for the one I clicked on. And now this 1 hour is for the one that I clicked on. See? There you go. And they're all inside here. Now, I don't want to have, I want to get rid of this text because I don't want to see, it's just in the way. So there you go. All of them are gone. Right here. There you go. All of them are gone. Okay. There you go. There you go. I think those were two of the problems, two of the things you wanted fixed. So we just took care of it, at least with this one. So I'm going to stop it and save it. There we go.